Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences using cruelty-free skincare and makeup on mature skin. Today, I want to show you what I bought during the Sephora Spring Sale. This is a mini haul because I only picked up 4 items during this sale. 2 of them are replacements for products I already use and love, and 2 of them are new products that I've been wanting to try for a while now. Let's get started. I'm going to start with my replacement products. This is from The Ordinary. It's the Ordinary Matrixyl plus Hyaluronic Acid 10%. The Matrixyl in this is Matrixyl 3000, and the hyaluronic acid is sodium hyaluronate, which is a very effective form of hyaluronic acid that sinks deep into your skin to pull in moisture. I've been using this close to a year now. I originally got it because I noticed I had really deep vertical lines forming on my upper lip. I did some research and I found out that peptide serums can help with that. So I got this one and I've been using it as a targeted serum on those vertical lines on my upper lip, and then also on my laugh lines and my marionette lines, on my neck, and between my eyes. I don't really have wrinkles there, so it's more prevention there. I really have seen the most results from this in the area that I originally bought it for, my upper lip. The lines are still there, but they have decreased significantly. I really can tell a huge difference since I started using this. I wasn't sure how this would compare to more expensive peptide serums, so I was really happy when I got a deluxe sample of the Somerville peptide serum. I only use it in those targeted areas, so that little deluxe sample lasted me long enough for me to get a good idea of how that one worked. And I didn't find that it was any more effective than this. And on top of that, I prefer the formula of this one. I feel like this one sinks into my skin nicely. It glides on my skin really smoothly. So I really prefer this one. The Somerville is $95 an ounce. This, for a 1 ounce bottle, is $8. So I'm really happy I gave this one a try and that it's working so well for me. The other replacement product I bought is my Verb Ghost Oil. I use Verb Ghost shampoo and conditioner also, but this is the real star of the line for me. This is what I use right after I shampoo. I have super fine hair that tangles so easily, but if I put anything at all heavy on it, it just weighs it down. This is perfect for my hair. It detangles, it leaves my hair soft and silky and shiny, whether I straighten it or wear it wavy, either way. And it takes out those tangles and just does a fantastic job for me. I've been using this for a couple of years now, and no matter what I'm using for shampoo, whether it's my Olaplex or my Verb products, I always follow with this because it does such a great job on my super fine hair. Now, on to my new products. This is from Ilia. This is one of the Color Haze Multi-Matte Pigments. This is in the color Waking Up. I'm wearing this today as a blush, and I love it. I've been wanting to try some cream blushes. A lot of my favorite YouTubers are always talking about the cream blushes. This is my first one to try, and I love it. It's a really pretty color. It's kind of a pinky neutral color. That's it on my hand. And this is it on my cheeks. It's really pigmented. A little bit goes a very long way. I don't really like this on my lips, but I just love it as a blush. That's everything I got in my first order during this sale. I had done a recommendation video for the sale and mentioned Aether Beauty in that video. And in the comments, my friend Wendy from the channel My Life Wendy mentioned that the Aether Beauty Solstice palette was on sale at Sephora. And I'm so glad she mentioned it because I'd totally forgotten about that. This is a $58 palette and it was on sale for $40. With a 20% discount, I got it for $32, which is a great deal for this beautiful palette. I love Aether Beauty. I have the Crystal Grid Gemstone palette, which is an all shimmer palette, and I just think it's so beautiful. The colors, the formula. I like the brand. I like the fact that everything on these palettes is recyclable except for this little elastic band. You can cut that off and recycle the entire palette. I like what Aether Beauty stands for. I like that it's a very small one-woman brand. She does an amazing job with her products, with her brand, and I love supporting her and Aether Beauty. Plus, on top of that, look at this color story. These are all such gorgeous colors. These are my colors. These are the colors I love to wear. I can wear every shade in this palette. I've had this for 2 weeks now, and I've been playing with it pretty much every single day since then, and I just love it. It's quickly become one of my absolute favorite palettes. I'm going to try to swatch these colors for you. I'm not the greatest at swatching, but I'm going to give it a good shot. I'm going to start with these two colors over here on the side. This first one is a real pretty light sand shimmer. This is called Citrine. And let me see if I can get enough that you can actually see the shimmer of it on my wrist. It's so gorgeous. I love using that as an inner corner highlight. I like tapping just a little bit in the center of my lid. I just think it's such a pretty color. This next one down here, right below it, is a pretty matte. That is New Moon, which is a sandstone matte. This one's probably not going to show up because it is pretty much my skin color. I can wear this one in my crease and on up onto my brow bone just a little bit as a transition shade, and it's so pretty. It looks a little deeper on my eye than it does on my wrist, so I can use it on my eyes, and it does have some beautiful pigment. I didn't know what I was going to think about the mattes, but I absolutely love them. They're creamy and rich, very pigmented. They blend gorgeously. I'm so happy with this palette, with all of the colors and with the formulas. Next is this one up above my finger. That is one of my favorite crease colors in my collection of all of my palettes. It's the color Soul, which is an apricot matte. I'm wearing it in my crease today, and I absolutely love the color. Next, I'll swatch this one down here. I already knew that I love this color because I got this one as a single shadow in one of my Petit Four boxes. This is the color Solar Eclipse, which is a peach metallic, and it's so pretty. I've got this one in the center of my lid today and in my inner corner. This is so wearable. It's got amazing color payoff, beautiful shimmer. Let's sit right here next to my finger, and I think it's so pretty. The next one is another one I love. I wear this one in the center of my lid sometimes. This is the color Ruby. This is a pink ginger metallic, and I think it is a gorgeous lid shade. I'm not wearing it today, but I have worn it several times all over my lid. And oh, it's so gorgeous. I just love that shade. It's one of my favorite shimmers in my collection already. I just can't believe how pretty it is. Wipe off my fingers so I can swatch the rest of these. Next is the color Amber. That's this one here, right above my finger. And this one is a golden metallic. Here it is, swatched right below Ruby. Here's Amber. I love these rich golden colors, so I'm so happy to have that one in my collection. Next one is Midsummer. That's this one. It's a golden saddle brown satin, and I have worn this one in my outer corner to deepen it a couple of times. I really like using it that way. It's a little deep for my lid, but it is really pretty in the outer corner. That's the color right there. Midsummer. That's this one here. Next is the color Solstice. That's this one here right below my finger. This one is a pink quartz to golden brown duochrome. And I'm gonna try to see if I can get that duochrome to show up on camera. I think the golden brown is going to be what mostly shows, but I'm going to see if I can get that pink shift to show up because it's so pretty. I don't know if it'll show up on camera or not. That's it right here next to my finger, and it is just a gorgeous color. This next one is the one that I have in my outer corner today. It's this one here. It's the color Balance. This is a sienna matte, and I just think it's so pretty for the outer corner. It's not too deep. It just gives a little bit of depth to the outer corner. So pretty. I love that color. That's Balance. The next one is the one I've got all over my lid today. This is, let's see, where can I swatch it? This is Energy. I love this as a lid color. It's so gorgeous. Aether describes this one as a rust metallic. That's it right here. And I think it is so pretty. I just love that color. The next one is this color here on the outside, Intrinsic. This one they say is a red-brown metallic. And in the pan, I thought it looked a little too dark to really use on my lid, but I was wrong. This is a really pretty deepening color too for my outer corner. I can wear it if I want a little bit of a more dramatic outer corner, and it's just so pretty. Love that color. The last one is the color Sister. That one's above my finger here in this outer corner. This is a milk chocolate matte. And I can use this one also on my outer corner, depending on what look I want to get. That's it right there. And it's a gorgeous color too. Here's the entire palette swatched. I think it is such a pretty color story. I'm so happy to have this palette. Thank you, Wendy, for reminding me that it was on sale. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button down below. Ring the notification bell next to that so you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.